Over the past 2 days, I've had valuable conversations with a number of senior Tajik government officials. I expressed appreciation for our strong cooperation, and we discussed avenues for strengthening and expanding the relations between our two countries. The U.S. government has provided more than $200 million to strengthen security along the Tajik-Afghan border since 2002. In my meetings today, I emphasized the importance of an independent media, including full accreditation for Radio Azadi employees. It's important that the Tajik people have access to independent media outlets such as Asia Plus, Akhbar, and Radio Azadi. Finally, I want to emphasize again my gratitude for the warm reception that I received from my many Tajik hosts over the past 2 days. I'm certain that our discussions will lead to even stronger relationship between the United States and Tajikistan.